Welcome to Pare Home School. Hello children. This is Phonics Lesson 5. In previous lesson, we had learned how to read three-letter words with A. In this lesson, we will learn how to read three-letter words with E. So let's start. As we have already seen, there are 5 vowels in English. They are A, E, O, E. These are 5 vowels. Today, we will see three-letter words with E. This is E. B, E, B, B, E, B, B, bib. F, E, F, E, fee, B, fib. F, E, fee, B, fib. N, E, knee. N, E, knee, B, nib. N, E, knee, B, nib. R, E, re. R, E, re, B, rib. R, E, re, B, rib. B, E, B. B, E, B, N. Bin. B, E, B, N. Bin. F, E, F, E, fee, N. Fin. F, E, fee, N. Fin. P, E, N. P, E, P, N. Pin. P, E, P, N. Pin. S, E, C. S, E, C, N. Sin. S, E, C, N. Sin. T, E, T, E, T, N. Tin. T, E, T, N. Tin. V, E, V. V, E, V, N. Win. V, E, V, N. Win. B, E, B, E, B, D. B, E, B, D. Bid. B, E, B, D. Bid. D, E, D. D, E, D, D. Did. D, E, D, D. Did. H, E, H, E, he, D. Hid. H, E, he, D. Hid. R, E, R, E, re, D. Rid. R, E, re, D. Rid. K, E, key. K I ki D, kid. B I B G, big. B I B G, big. D I D G, dig. D I D G, dig. F I Fee G, fig. F I Fee G, fig. G I Gi G, gig. G I G, gig. J I G, G, jig. J I G, jig. P I P I P G, pig. P I P G, pig. V I V I G, wig. V I G, wig. B I B I B T, bit. B I B T, bit. F I Fee, F I Fee T, fit. F I Fee T, fit. H I He, H I He T, hit. H I He T, hit. L I Lee, L I Lee T, lit. L I Lee T, lit. P I P I P T, pit. P I P T, pit. S I C, S I C T, sit. S I C T, sit. V I V I T, wit. V I T, wit. D I D I D P, dip. D I D P, dip. H I He, H I He P, hip. H I He P, hip. L I Lee, L I Lee P, lip. L I Lee P, lip. N I Ni, N I Ni P, nip. N I Ni P, nip. P I P. P, E, P, P. Pip. P, E, P, P. Pip. R, E. R, E, Re. P. Rip. R, E, Re. P. Rip. S, E. S, E, C. P. Sip. S, E, C. P. Sip. T, E, T. T, E, T. P. Tip. T, E, T. P. Tip. Z, E, Z, E, Z. P. Zip. Z, E, Z. P. Zip. N, E, Ni. N, E, Ni. L, Nil. N, E, Ni. L, Nil. T, E, T, E, T. L, Till. T, E, T. L, Till. D, E, D, E, D. Dim. D, E, D. Dim. H, E, H, E, he. Him. H, E, he. Him. R, E, Re. R, E, Re. Rim. R, E, Re. Rim. F, E, Fee. F, E, Fee. X, fix. F, E, Fee. X, fix. M, E, me. M, E, me. X, mix. M, E, me. X, mix. S, E, C. S, E, C. X, six. S, E, C. X, six. These were the three-letter words with E. Now, let's revise few of the words. Can you read what is this? Correct. This is leap. L, E, L, E, leap. Lip. Can you read what is this? Very good. This is pig. P, E, P, E, P, G. Pig. Now let's see the next word. Can you read what is this? You're right. This is kid. K, E, K, E, K, D. Kid. Can you read what is this? Correct. This is six. S, E, S, E, C, X. six. S-E. C. X. Six. Can you read what is this? Very good. This is pin. P E P E P N. Pin. P E P N. Pin. Can you read what is this? Correct. This is zip. Z E Z P. Zip. Z E Z P. Zip. So children, these were three-letter words with E. In next chapter, we will learn few more words. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.